Shamdi to all our viewers. In today's episode, we'll see the designer collection of our gowns. Let's begin. This is our first article. The fabric for this gown is a pure silk. It is soft silk. Two colors are there. One is a dark color here at the side, and in middle one light gray color is provided. This type of the embroidery is done at the neckline only. This gown is provided with the lining and the can at the bottom. Can is there at only bottom, so it will not give you a fluffy look at this region. You can go for this gown for the reception, wedding reception. It is very classy gown. The size for this gown is 42, means XL. The price range is 6,500, but due to festive season you will get it at 50%. You will get it at 3,250 rupees only. We have one more color in this article. So this is our next beautiful color. It is a very light bottle green color. You can see it at Kanjali color. Dark color is given here, and very light pista color is provided in between of these two colors. Same embroidery is done all over the neck. The size for this is XL, and the price will be the same, and you will avail the same discount as I told you before. Now let's see our next design. We have very beautiful off-white lace fabric designer gown. It's very beautiful, very classy, and it will give you a very comfortable look when you are going to wear this. This is the lace fabric. It is fully embroidered on net. Lining is provided. Lining is silk, soft silk. And this is the sleeves provided with the half lining. And at the bottom of this gown, we have given can. Okay, so can is there only at the bottom, not from the waist side. Okay, so this is a very beautiful article. You can wear this article in any reception, wedding reception. It will give you a more classy and trendy look. We have one more beautiful color in this article. Size for this gown is, the price will be 3,897 after discount, means its original MRP is 7,795, and you will get it at 3,897, means 50% discount will be there on its MRP. Size for this is L size. Okay, so our next color is peacock color. So this is our next color in same design. It's very beautiful. Lace fabric done on the lace fabric is there. It is done wholly on the net only, provided with the lining, with the can. The price will be the same, the size will be same, and the discount will be the same. Don't miss the chance to grab these gowns. We have festive season, that's why we are giving 50% off on this. As our sale will closed, then all the product will you get it at its MRP only. So don't miss the chance to grab these beautiful gowns from the Muhafiz. Hope you enjoyed our today's episode. The product which you want to buy from us, kindly send us a screenshot of the product which you want to buy from us and send it to our WhatsApp number. All the details are mentioned in the description box below. Go through our website, place your order. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Bye-bye. Kindly note there will be a slight variation in the color due to lighting we use, and we ship in India free if you are taking it at MRP. So stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you. Bye-bye.